In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cash App at Register. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the main ways in which you will be able to use Cash App at Register to issue payments. First, the simplest method is by using your Cash App card. So if you are eligible for the Cash card, you will receive it physically, and you can also manage the card through the latest version of the Cash App. First, all that you have to do is walk up to the register and choose to pay using the card. As long as your card is active and you have enough balance, you will be able to use it to make purchases in store at the register. Now, alternatively, if you do not have the card with you, what you can do instead is open Cash App, and in there you will have the option to switch over to the card tab and attach the Cash App card to a digital wallet, for example, Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet. Now, with the card attributed to a digital wallet, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay to make contactless payments even if you don't have the physical card. The funds will be taken from your Cash App account, and all you have to do is make sure that it is properly attributed to one of those digital wallets and that the register accepts Apple Pay or Google Pay as a payment method. Now, besides these options that revolve around the card, the last one that I recommend is to use the QR code. So if you are trying to use Cash App at Register and they have some sort of QR code that can be scanned, all that you have to do is open Cash App, and on the home screen you will find the option at the top left corner of the screen. By tapping the little icon on the home screen like I mentioned, this will bring up the QR code scanner. And as long as you point your phone's camera to the QR code, you will be able to choose the amount that you want to pay from your balance, and the payment is going to go through. Just scan the QR code presented where you want to pay, and you will be able to use Cash App to issue this payment. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App at Register. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.